Hi guys, this is a 2-for-1 today. My dear friend Esther, here on YouTube, she's Esther C if I'm not mistaken, wanted to see how I made a broom that I had shown in a beaded broom that I had shown in my previous video. And so right now I am going to do a demo on that and my Pinterest inspired project that I'm late with because I've been working. And I missed all my Canadian friends on Monday had a Thanksgiving. I am hoping that your Thanksgiving went nice, that you had a good time, and yeah, so let's get started. So here I have, I'll show you the roll of tulle from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so I have that, and I have where did I put it? A 4-inch skewer. I broke the pointed part off, so it's a very thin bamboo skewer. So I have that. And my hot glue gun. And so what we do is we take about a 12-inch, if that's how much you want. This is a little over 12 inches. I like to have a full broom, and if it's too full, we can cut some off, but you rather have too much than too little. So then you just start wrapping and twisting the tulle part. And every so often, maybe you want to use a little dab of glue. And so then you keep doing that until it gets as full as you yourself, or not full, as you yourself would like. There's no specific way to do the broom. And this is actually our next Pinterest inspired collaboration, except it is a treat broom, like using a Twizzler licorice, the individually wrapped licorices, or I have some other ideas, and I'll show you those when that Pinterest project is due. So now I'm getting a little wonky here, so I think I really do have enough, and I need my scissors. Gonna cut off this wild end here. Okay. And then you kind of glue the end down. And I don't necessarily glue the tulle to the skewer, because I wrap around some twine, and I wrap it fairly tight so that it stays on. And I do, that's probably enough. So this is probably about 5 to 8 times around, and then you're just gonna glue it down with some hot glue or whatever your preference of glue is, and cut it off and hold that down. And now here's where the beads come in. So this started out at 4 inches. It might end up getting shorter, so we'll see as we go, but you can make these for winter too, like for snowmen, embellishments and things like that. If they had blue, they should do blue tulle with the white snow specks on it. So then anyway, we pick our beads, and I have picked couple brown wood ones and a few reddish colored ones, so they don't roll away on me. So then you just take the skewer and you start threading your beads in a design that you like. And I'm doing brown, red, or whatever this color is. It's an iridescent-y-ish. Sometimes it looks orange. Sometimes it looks brown-ish red. And sometimes it depends on how the beads, you know, what they shine on. So now I I hook all my beads that I want on my broom or whatever beaded object I'm making. Like I'm doing pens now, making some beaded pens. I lost a bead. Here it is. And yeah, so that's not very difficult. Watch, my husband's home and he's gonna start to interrupt me, which I'm not worried. If he does, we'll just ignore him. Okay, so this, what I'm using here, if it would empty, it's like clogged, is Glossy Accents. And I like to use this for gluing my beads together, because like the E6000 and other beaded glues and you know, they stink. This one's not too bad. And so that's it. And then the Glossy Accents dry clear, so when it's dry you won't see it. At the very top I will cut that down, and here's the broom. So that's that, and I think it looks cute. And then now my Pinterest inspired project that I do with the Scrappy Book Farm 1 is my countdown. Can we see it all? My Halloween countdown. So let me turn it this way so we can kind of get it all in. These are the blocks with the numbers I wrote on. I made some little jack-o'-lanterns. I stacked up some hay bales, added some ghosts, and this is actually a magnet. I mean, not magnet, it should be a magnet because it would work better, but It's Velcro, so it comes in 2 parts, so that if I wanted to get another chalkboard sign and change out the blocks for Christmas, I could. That was the idea I had. So this is an actual Dollar Tree chalkboard. This is a crate, and then the Dollar Tree blocks. And then I just Velcro this on because I wanted it to be interchangeable. Like, I will change out the blocks at Christmas time for something else, or I could do the Christmas part on the back. So yeah, this is my Pinterest inspired collaboration project that I do with the Scrappy Bookworm one, and it is the countdown for Halloween and my broom. I got some, isn't that cute? So here, Esther, I hope you watching and that you like it, and do me a favor, PM me on Facebook your address. I can't remember what your address is. I want to send you something. And yeah, I want to send you something. It's gonna not be something ginormous, but it's gonna be something. So yeah, give me your address, and I hope you're doing better. I will see you on Facebook, Esther, and for those of you who are my friends there, you can catch me over on Facebook as well. Otherwise, right here on YouTube, and the Scrappy Bookworm one is also on here, and she has a page on Facebook. So you can like us and follow over there, follow here, and I hope you guys like this. Let me know what you think, how simple it was to make, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.